Hello again, this is James Broughton, and welcome to my safety culture discussion. And in today's discussion, I want to briefly discuss basic safety management systems. In discussions with my co-author, Nathan Crutchfield, and in research for our new book, we've had a lot of discussions about what is safety culture, what is safety climate, and what does it really mean. And when it comes to a safety management system, every organization will have a different approach. The key is that one size does not fit all organizations. You must tailor each program to meet the specific needs of the organization itself. Every organization who really wants a true safety culture and total commitment from their employees must adapt some basic program elements that will support their commitment to safety of their employees. And one example we've had a lot of discussion about is the Occupational Safety Health Administration's proposed I2P2. And according to OSHA, this rule will require employers to develop and implement a program that minimizes worker exposure to safety and health hazards. At this point in time, no one really knows what the proposed rule will look like, but we can make an educated guess based on the recent Injury and Illness Prevention Program white paper that was published in January 2012. Where OSHA discusses how does an injury and illness prevention program work. OSHA states in this white paper, most successful injury and illness prevention programs include a similar set of common sense elements that focus on finding all hazards in the workplace and developing a plan for preventing and controlling those hazards. Management leadership and active worker participation are essential to ensuring that all hazards are identified and addressed. Finally, workers need to be trained about how the program works, and the program needs to be periodically evaluated to determine whether improvements need to be made. Let's take it another step. In other proposed safety management systems that we have reviewed, such as the ANSI AIHA Z10 2005 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, the Canadian Standard Association Z1000-06 Occupational Health and Safety Management, the ANSI ASSE Z590.3 Prevention through Design Guidelines for Addressing Occupational Hazards and Risk in Design and Redesign Processes, and ANSI ASSE Z490.1 of 2001 Criteria for Accepted Practices and Safety, Health, and Environmental Training. After reviewing these standards, there are 6 elements in some respect that are consistent in nature with OSHA's Injury and Illness Prevention Program that can help to create a successful safety management system. These 6 basic elements include management leadership, employee participation, hazard identification and assessment, hazard prevention and control, information and training, and evaluation of program effectiveness. For any business to be successful, it would be easy to implement a safety management system which consists of these elements and then expand on the basic elements to fit the organization. Each of these 6 elements are independent and are interrelated with each other. The problem as I see it is that when many business leaders think of developing and implementing safety management systems, they often look at it as just another program that they have to implement and manage. But I want you to step back a second and think about a system that you probably already have in place, called your quality system. And if you take a look at both systems and lay them out side by side, you will see some common elements. And if you apply these common elements, you will find that they parallel each other in many details. And before I conclude, we discuss OSHA's I2P2, the 6 basic safety management elements, and some of the associated proposed safety management systems. In my next video, I will discuss one of these 6 basic management system elements, management leadership. Thank you for listening to this video. I wish you success on your journey. For more details, visit my site, safetycultureplus.com, and you can also subscribe to my videos on YouTube.